Hello everyone, welcome to Luna Crystal channel. Today I want to show you how to restring a loosened bracelet. My customer bought me her loosened beads today and helped her to restrain it. She bought me the beads of Amazonite. It's about 12 millimeters. And the clear crystals, I have the irregular shape, the round beads, and 3 of the Hakimir diamond. Let's start to restrain the bracelet. Here we go. I'm gonna use this clear elastic to restrain the bracelet. So we measure ourselves to leave some space for the knot. And because we want to double it, we double the elastic. So we make it double and we prepare that. Then we got our elastic thread ready, and we find a very fine wire to go through the beads. So now the beads are already on the elastic, and we have to make a knot for that. On one end, you can see the double loop, and the other end you see the loop and the tail. So we get the single loop, go into the double loop, and we hold all the tail like that. And on this end, we push the beads close to the beginning and pull the tail and try as tight as you can. So we tie the first knot, gentle but tight, and the tail go underneath and make the second knot. Because the clear elastic is usually very easy to slide out, so we make one more knot to secure it. Pull gentle but tight. And we cut the tail. And we can use the lighter to secure the silk, to silk the wire. And put it inside one of the beads to hide it. And the bracelet is done.